Hello, welcome to Sylvan Dale Guest Ranch. We're going to check out the Homestead guest house. And right here on the banks of the Big Thompson River. Homestead has great views of the river, and listen to that river roar. Fly fishing right outside your door here at Homestead. Wonderful views off this cabin deck. All right, let's go inside the homestead. Homestead is a very traditional styled miner's cabin. We do have 3 bedrooms in here. Great working fireplace. Living room, dining room area. Go into bedroom number 1. Has its own restroom right over here. So you do get your own private restroom on this side. And then you have a shared bath that connects this room to that room. So these old miner cabins like this, they did have, you went through one bedroom to the other. So still great for a family, but it's that real old-fashioned layout. And then you'll come through here. We'll go through this bathroom just bath that adjoins to the other bedroom. So this is the 3rd bedroom in Homestead. Everything is lots of antiques, very period appropriate. Fits right in here at the ranch. And then again, you have your own restroom in this cabin right here, in this bedroom, excuse me. So each has its own little private bedroom and then private bathroom and shared bath in between. So back to the living room area. Great views, great big windows, lots of light. And then we'll come this way, going into the kitchen. Wonderful little breakfast nook. Overlooks the river, stocked kitchens, pots, pans, silverware. You go cook with your families, spend some time here at the ranch. And then this door is an exit. So yes, this is Homestead. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, great view of the river, private deck. And this is Homestead Cabin. We sure hope to have you out at the ranch sometime, and you could spend some time in the homestead and enjoy it for yourself. All right. Thanks, folks.